My worry is on the leadership, not just South Africa, but Africa as a whole. Say amen. Because yes, today it's your time of leading. Today is your time of ruling. You will live happily. You will implement certain strategies to resolve certain issues or current issues. Now, if the past keep on repeating itself, then there is danger for the future. Because if we see today in Africa, there's a lot of trouble, and those trouble are being repeated itself every time. Now, in your time, you will, after you have accomplished your mission, after you have accomplished your task, yes, you will resign, or you will get old, or you will die. But now we are going to remain. Now, if we remain facing the same issues, if we remain again solving the same solution, do we think that we're going to have a better Africa? Do we think we're going to have a better country? If we remain again resolving the issues that our past leader were facing. So what I'm requesting is on the leadership of today, if there will be certain implementation strategies that can resolve the issues that we do not have to deal with, because there are a lot of things that we need to face. There are a lot of new challenges that we need to face. Because if we begin to take again the old challenges and bring them into our then leadership, then we'll have a problem, we'll never progress. So my problem is on the leadership of today in Africa. Thank you.